Fuji has released 3 incredible cameras in 2022. So let's go through the things I think are awesome about them and some other things. So we have the X-H2S, which is $2,500, the X-H2, which is $2,000, and the X-T5, which is $1,700. So to me, the best part about the X-H2S is that it records internally ProRes. I mean, that's super convenient. I'm not a big fan of recording with external recorders if I don't have to. The X-H2, the best part in my opinion is that it records 8K 30 both internally and externally. And the X-T5 because it's $1,700 and has a ton of great features. Some of those great features are that they all record ProRes RAW or Blackmagic RAW externally, all of them. So that's incredible. Now, there are 3 strange things, or no, that's just one strange thing, about the differences between all 3 of them. So the X-H2S records 4K 120. The X-T5 records 4K 120. But in the middle, the X-H2 records only 4K 60. And I don't get why they did that because both the X-H2 and X-T5 share the same 8K sensor. So not sure about that one. All right, some thoughts. I've rented a few Fujis, and including their medium format line, I don't like the feel of Fuji cameras too much in my hands, and that's a personal thing. Maybe others will totally love the form factor, but it just doesn't feel that good in my hand. And for whatever reason, even though the plastic seems like it's about the same that's in any other camera that's sort of polycarbonate, it seems sort of especially cheap. Things that could be improved with Fuji in general. Since Fuji does not have any full frame cameras, only APS-C and medium format, I would like to see a medium format camera that supports 4K 60 with HDR or log, because that's the resolution and frame rate that I prefer to shoot in. And I can't imagine they plan on creating a full frame camera at least anytime soon. So that would be a great feature. APS-C is wonderful. I'm recording in APS-C right now, but I do enjoy full frame, and I especially enjoy medium format. So 4K 60 medium format would be an awesome addition.